Hello friends, in this video I am going to focus on an application in machine learning which predicts heart risk level. For this application I am going to use this CSV file. In the previous video I did a classification problem, but in this application I am going to do a regression problem because heart risk level is a percentage value. It lies between 0 and 100. It is a continuous value. So this is a regression problem. This is the CSV file. Actually this is a good data set because there are about 6,000 entries: sex, age, whether the person smokes or not, uh, whether the person is suffering from sugar or not, and this is the risk level, this is the target. There are 7 features and this is the target. Okay, now let's start. This is the directory that I currently working on. Now I open the Jupyter notebook. From this directory I create a new Python file. Let's rename it. First of all, we have to import that CSV file. To do that, we have to import pandas. I get the whole dataset into a variable called dataset. We have to give the name of the file. In the previous video, I told we have to import the CSV file as a NumPy array. So to do that, we have to add dot values. Let's print the dataset. Okay, now we have to slice the dataset into data and target. First 7 columns are features and the last column, the 8th column, is the target. Okay, data, all rows, first 7 column, all rows, 8 column. Okay. Now we have to import train test split, which is coming from sklearn module. Now we have to split the whole dataset into train data, train target, and test target, like the previous video. I told in the previous video, give meaningful names. Okay, we have to use this function. Now for the parameters, we have to give data and target and the test size. Data, target, and on the whole data set we give 90% of entries to train and 10% of the data set for the testing purpose. To do that, test size. Okay, let's run the code cell. Okay, now we have to import the linear regression, that is the algorithm we are using in this video. Linear regression is also coming from sklearn module. To create the model, we use this code. We use this. Okay, now the interesting part, we are going to train the model. To train the model, we have to give train data and train target. Model fit. In the linear regression algorithm, we are using a first order polynomial function like this. This is the risk level and this is the variables, this is the features. Okay, blue ones are features. When we train the model gives us these coefficients. Okay, coefficients of the variables a1, a2, a3, like so on, and also the c value. After training we can see the values of these a1, a2, a3, a4, and also a5, a6, a7, and also the c value. Okay, constant value of the first order polynomial function. To see the a values, I mean the coefficients of the variables, coefficients, these are the a values a1, a2, a3, like so on. This is a7. We can get the value of c by this, by model.intercept. This is the C value. Okay. Now the model has been created. Now I'm going to predict the values for our test data. To do that, I predict the values and get the result to a new variable called predicted target. Okay. Model.predict. I have to give the test data. Although it is 10%, there are many entries. So I'm going to print uh, first 20. These are the first 20 test target values. The predicted target has the all values predicted to test data. Now I'm going to print the first 20 predicted values. You can see that there is a little bit difference between the true values and the predicted values. Not in this video, I did not use any feature engineering like removing outliers, data normalization. If I use feature engineering, the results will be more accurate. Okay. In a later video, I do the same application using feature engineering. You can see then we will get more accurate values. Okay. Now we have to get the accuracy of our model. In the previous video, in the classification problem, we use another method, but this is a regression problem. We have to get the accuracy of the model in a different way. To do that, we import R2 score. R2 score is also coming from sklearn module. Import R2 score. We use R2 score to get the accuracy of the model. Sorry. To get the accuracy, we have to give the actual and the predicted. Actual values are in the test target and the predicted values are in the predicted target. And we get result to a new variable called accuracy. Let's print the accuracy also. 76%. Accuracy of the model is 76%. To save the model, like in the previous video, we use joblib. I discussed it in the previous video. Import joblib to save the model. Dump, and we give the model and the name of the model that we are going to save. This is the directory. Okay. I give the name heart risk level prediction. Save. You can see that the model is saved. Now we are going to predict a risk level for a custom input. Let's see, custom input is, if the custom input is this, but we cannot use this. Okay, we have to give it like a multiple array, because by default model.predict is accepting multiple inputs. This is a single input. To make this single input into a multiple inputs, we have to add extra square brackets. Now we can use model.predict. Let's predict the risk level for this input. Model.predict. We give the custom input and we get the result into a new variable custom predicted. Let's print the value. %. For these inputs, the risk level is 27%. I hope you got some idea about how to solve a regression problem. If you didn't watch the previous video, you can watch that one. In that video, I explained how to solve a classification problem. Hope you got some idea about this. Please like the video and share with others and subscribe my channel. See you soon with another interesting video. So that's it. Thank you.